Hey guys, welcome back to SKUSavvy. Today I'm walking you through how to simply fulfill an order step by step. If you've already connected your Shopify store, added inventory, set up your warehouse, and linked your shipping carriers, and package sizes are set up, you're ready for this. Now let's jump into the actual fulfillment process. First, head over to Orders and then select Outbound. Find the order you want to fulfill and click into it. Inside the order, you'll see order tags, a direct link back to Shopify, shipping method, items purchased, assigned warehouse location. If needed, you can even reroute the order to a different warehouse, but for this example, we're keeping it as is. Next, click Fulfill. This creates a single order batch, basically grouping everything needed to complete this order in one workflow. Now, we move into the picking stage. The system automatically generates a pick path. This shows where each item is located, the bin positions, the quantity you need to grab. You can click All to view every bin location, then hit Pick to begin. You can enable scanning for bin locations, products. This helps reduce errors and speeds things up. Once picking is complete, head into the pack section. Here's what you can do. Review order details again, edit the shipping address if needed, check for any order notes. Now, start packing. Tap the item to add it to the package. You also have some flexible options here. Add a custom box size, use multiple boxes if needed. The system may even suggest a recommended box size, which saves you time. After packing, you'll see shipping rates from your connected carriers. You can compare rates, turn carriers on or off, choose the best option for cost or speed. Once you've decided, click to purchase the shipping label. A new window will pop up so you can print it right away. Print your label, attach it to your package, and that's it. Once done, the order is officially fulfilled. Tracking info is automatically sent back to Shopify. No extra steps needed. Simple, efficient, and repeatable. Once you get the hang of it, this whole process becomes second nature and way faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.